So I got this office chair and I wanted to show you some of the features that I really like about it and all the things that it will do. First of all, I like that the seat, when you push on it, it's cushiony. It's not super soft, but it's soft that you don't like sink down into it, which I kind of like that. So you don't feel like you're sitting on something hard, but yet it's firm enough to give you a little bit of support. And then the back, if you can tell, this is like a mesh, but it's breathable, so it doesn't get super hot, and I really like that. And down here, it's the same, but as you can tell, if you look at it from the side, this is like a lumbar. So it, and it actually, if I can show you, when you lean against it, it moves with your body. So it's kind of giving you a little extra support. And then it has these cushion arms to it. If you don't like the arms, then you can just take and lift them up out of the way if you don't want them. It does swivel all the way around, so I like that. And then also it tips back, like not tips, but kind of reclines back. And then if you don't want it to do that, there's a knob on the bottom and you can just tighten it so it doesn't do that. And then on this side, you can adjust it up or down, whichever way you want it to go, up or down. But I don't know, it's pretty comfortable. It's nice that I really like that it's breathable, because I usually get hot when I'm just sitting in my chair. We work from home all day, and I feel like it's wide this way. The rollers work great. It doesn't get hung up or anything like that. I don't know, it just feels sturdy. I don't have any problems leaning back, feeling like I'm falling out or falling over. So if you're looking for a good office chair, I would highly recommend trying this one.